welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unice. Have the best time. You feel me? So they sent me this glueless wig, right. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, ain't gotta touch no lace, wear and go, 30-second install, baby. This gonna be a little long because I'm gonna show you how I styled it here and this, that, and the third, but girl, you see that? Pre-cut. I didn't have to do nothing, Nathaniels, you know what I'm saying? Pre-plucked and everything, ready to go, right? There's also a nice security band inside that does help it be secure so it doesn't come off. And here's all the goodies, and let's get into it.
I think I've had so much it drives me crazy. I just don't wanna leave it. Get me out, please don't give up on me. I belong with you, don't leave
signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focusing about the offload. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. What? Look, we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. Look, wait, we just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also what? Young kitty died on the floor, so what? She broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living. So don't pick a label, Miss Shit did it. Interview for 5 minutes. That's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just feel the big tickets. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can tell it, you're looking the wall. Damn, look the yellow ones in the full rifle. Me and her about to go psycho. Put my hands in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael. Like a light bulb. Hold on the money in the Nike. Want to make a movie in a minute. Ain't too trust in a minute. I didn't even listen to the rich. All your bitches sound like dirty bitches. I'm about to clean up in the kitchen. And we making money by the minute. I'm about to do all like this. I am just a icon living.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
In New York, I'm in New York. I didn't in my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. What? And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm in New York. I didn't in my socks. I didn't in my socks. Selling every rock.
Of course, I didn't film an outro because why would I? But of course, all of the information about this hair and the links to this and Unice's website and everything will be linked in the description box below. But like I said, it's like a 30-second install, girl, real quick, real fast, real simple. You know what I'm saying? And it was completely glueless, no glue spray, no lace bond, no. Why I say lace? Ghost bond, you know what I'm talking about. None of that. All I had to do was do my edges, get the curls, curl up a little bit, and that's it. And of course, I showed you like the little elastic band. It's super secure, girl. Ain't nobody snatching it off. You know what I'm saying? I know that'd be an issue. It's super secure, nothing. It was pre-plucked, pre-cut. All you have to do is slide it on your head. That's it. Maybe it don't get no more simpler. This was super cute, super, fun, funky, fresh. But yeah, like I said, everything is in the description box below. And don't forget to create your own happiness. And I'll see you next time I decide to do my hair on camera, which will happen again because Bye, I love you. I'm not kissing my MacBook, but mwah.